Hey, what's up guys? So, as the title said, today we're gonna be doing some photography and videography type of content. So, last year I bought these polarizer called Tiffen polarizer. They worked really well with my last lens. I have a new lens now, which is my Sigma 2470 and Sigma 50mm prime. And then I wanted to show you guys how it looks in pictures and videos with my new lenses today with these polarizers installed. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna make some content and we're gonna come back here and then we're gonna talk about it. I hope you guys can enjoy this video and let's get right in. Okay, I'm back. So I actually went ahead and edit the pictures and video off camera already. So I thought it would be easier to just explain what I did and how it will look. Okay, so for photos, basically what I did is that I put the filter on and it was kind of like becoming a sunset. So it was kind of hard to use the filter with it just because it's a little bit too hard with the lighting, and some ways you can able to make it work, but it's normally really hard shooting against the sunset, so it's not gonna come out as good. But I can explain to you guys what I did and how it kind of came out. Okay, so first photo is my 240, and this is basically kind of shot a little bit further away, so the object is a little bit small, but basically you wouldn't get the same type of sky coloring as if you didn't have the filter. So the reason why I have the sky color, it's because it's not too much exposed when I take the picture. And when I'm taking a picture against it, and my car was like super shady like that. So to fix that, you obviously need to lower the exposure. I did some things here and there, and it kind of came out like that. So my other photos also similar situation. Photos I definitely need to work on a little bit more because it's been a while since I had the filter on, and I need to practice a little bit more finding what the setting for me, and yeah. So photos, I'm not super happy with it, but I know this filter can really do a great job, especially during such a harsh lighting situation. So yeah, I think it did good for what it's worth. Okay, so next thing I want to talk about is the video. If you guys want to just watch the video, I'll have the link in the description, but I'm gonna play it anyway for you guys. There's not gonna be any sound when I play it because it's copyrighted, but I can play it with you guys. So here we go. I think it came out really good. So basically, like, I put the filter on for my 2470 and it comes out so good. Like, it's exactly how I want it. And yeah, it's just like cuts all the light that you don't want. So the car, really good colors with it. I use S-Log setting for my video, so PPF 8, and then with the S-Log 2 setting on Sony a7S II. And yeah, it's how it comes out. Like, the mountains are beautiful, and you know, it captures really well with the lighting, and I'm really happy with this. Like, I used my gimbal and everything, and it came out really good. So I hope this is something that I can recommend to anyone, because it's super affordable and it makes a huge difference. Like, you're not gonna get these like really bad exposure, like, crack on your footage and stuff like that. So that's what I can recommend you guys on, is to get a polarizer. I don't know how it is for like a more expensive option, but I can say that with Tiffen, it's like you wouldn't get disappointed if you're trying to film video. If you guys are interested in buying Tiffen polarizer, I will post a link there. This video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like with Sigma. You know what I mean? Because I have a new lens now. It's a completely different look for my video or photos now. So photos not much different, but video completely different. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. And yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not a super long video, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. And if you were thinking about buying it, this is how it looks like with a little bit of editing. And yeah, I say go for it. If you're kind of looking for a polarizer to buy, this would be a good option for you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but I just wanted to talk about new items that I bought for my camera. And I know some of you guys are always questioning me about like, oh, how do I do this, that, and stuff like that. So I hope this helps. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow all my social media, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.